You know, the extra spice. I love that extra pumpkin pie spice. Look at that. Yum. And with the cream cheese frosting, it's just perfect. Hi everyone, happy Halloween. It's Beth here. We're in my kitchen because I want to share the easiest pumpkin pie bar recipe that you will ever find. I've got a potluck at work, so I've got to get baking. So come on and join me. All you're gonna need for this recipe is your favorite cake mix. You can use white, vanilla, yellow, whatever you like. We're gonna use 4 ounces of applesauce. We're gonna use a can of 100% pumpkin puree, some pumpkin pie spice, and my secret ingredient is some maple syrup. So let's get cooking. I've got the 15.25 ounce cake mix here. Just drop that baby in. Get rid of that. Then we're gonna throw in our pumpkin pie spice. This is just to taste. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons. But you can certainly do more or less, depending upon what you like. I'm gonna stir that around in with the cake mix. I'm gonna add applesauce. This is just 4 ounces of applesauce, so a 1/4 cup. %100% pumpkin. And then I'm gonna throw in some maple syrup. Maybe about a 1/4 cup. A little more. And we're just gonna stir that up with a fork. There's no eggs in this recipe. All stirred up. We're just gonna take our 9x13 cake pan. I have sprayed that with baking spray, and let's get everything in here. And then just spread that around. Okay, we're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven. While that's baking in the oven, I thought it would be fun to show you some of my Halloween decorations that I have around my house, including my coffee bar, dining room, and in my living room. Oh my gosh, it just came out of the oven. It smells delicious. I baked it for 35 minutes at 350. Now I'm gonna let it cool completely before I add delicious cream cheese frosting. You know what this is for? That's right, cream cheese frosting. I got them all ready. And I put a little candy corn in each piece. Don't they look good? All ready to go. All right, guys, I am so sorry that for whatever reason, I didn't get it filmed frosting the cake, but you saw me make the frosting. So I've already had the potluck. This is what's left, actually. We had so much food there, but everybody who ate a bar came up and told me how delicious they were. So I made them look a little extra special with the candy corn on top. And isn't this a great little carry container when you have potlucks or you're going to a picnic or whatever? I got these at Walmart. So I'm just gonna put it in the description box below. I'll link it for you if you guys wanna check it out. Oh my gosh, these are so great. I bought 2 of them because I make a lot of casseroles that I send with my husband up to my father-in-law's farm. So these are great. But let me just show you how this looked. Super easy cake. So yummy with that cream cheese frosting. Isn't that cute with the candy corn? Or those little pumpkins, that would be cute too. So let's just give it a try. You know, the extra spice. I love that extra pumpkin pie spice. Look at that. Yum. And with the cream cheese frosting, it's just perfect. It's just perfect. It's so rich, moist, and delicious. And you wouldn't know that you didn't put any eggs in there. You just don't miss it at all. It's super moist with the pumpkin and the applesauce and then that little bit of maple syrup. It has such a rich, delicious flavor. All right. I'm putting it down now. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this. Now, if you expand the description box below, I'll have the written recipe for you. I almost forgot to show you. That's what I wore today. My cute little sweatshirt is from Bloom Chic. So I'll have a link below to my LTK page where you can click on the link to purchase this sweatshirt if you're interested. I believe that Bloom Chic right now has all of their Halloween stuff on clearance. So I know it's too late for you this year, but you could always pick it up and save it for next year. We got my grandson a chicken costume for Halloween. So on the way out, I'll show you a little clip of him having some fun in his chicken costume. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Happy Halloween. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.